Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my last video, I did a quick analysis of the jump 50 index, okay, the jump 25 index and the jump 10 index, and I speculated that price was going to sell from this region down to this first take profit level, then eventually going to the second take profit level, and eventually we might be seeing price selling to this third take profit level. If you've not seen that video, I urge you to go back to my previous video and watch that analysis. I speculated that price was going to drop from this resistance point down to this first take profit level, and as you can see, the first take profit level has been hit and broken through. The second take profit level also has been hit, and price is most likely about to break through it, and we'll be looking at price heading down to the third take profit level. And also we did a quick analysis on the jump 25 index, speculating that price was going to buy to this first take profit level. Guys, if you're just coming across my YouTube channel and you've not seen my videos, I urge you to watch my previous video where I analyzed this market, and also watch the subsequent videos where I dropped analysis of um, the synthetic indices market, some of the commodities on the synthetic index market, like the crash, the boom, the volatility, and so on and so forth. In my previous video, I dropped analysis that the 25 index was going to buy to this price point, this take profit level, before eventually either moving to the downside or continuing to this take profit level. And as you can see, guys, as analyzed in the previous video, the first take profit level has been smashed. The first take profit level, which is this region, this zone that I marked out, has been smashed, and we'll be looking at price either continue to this upside or potentially dropping to the downside. Today, guys, I just have a quick analysis to do on some of the commodities. But before then, before I started this video, I analyzed the V10 1S commodity and placed my entry. I placed my sell limit for it to be tapped by price. So I'll be so I'll enter this market to ride this market to the downside. But unfortunately, as you can see, price almost tapped me in, just some few pips, just about 19 pips, or 1.8 pips, around 2 pips for my first entry to be triggered, and about um 5.3 pips for my second entry to be triggered. But unfortunately, guys, my entry was not triggered, but my take profit has been smashed. As you can see, this is TP, this is a stop loss, and these were the points I placed my sell limit. But unfortunately, guys, I wasn't taken into the market, and my take profit has been smashed. Trades like this happen once in a while, where you place your stop loss, you place your sell limit or your buy limit, but price gets just a few pips to your buy limit or sell limit, but refuses to trigger, refuses to tap you in. So this is just one of those trades that I wasn't fortunate enough to um, have gotten on. But eventually, as you can see, my take profit has been smashed, and this was a nice let's calculate the risk to reward, but a nice 7 pips to make about 30 pips in the market. That's around 1:6, 1:6 in the market. So, guys, as I said, this analysis I do, and the um, strategy I use actually it works crazily in the market. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group in the description box, and also I'll be dropping um, the link to sign up with DERIV if you are new to DERIV, and if you are new to trading and you want to sign up with the broker DERIV. I'll be dropping the link in the description box where you can actually register and also start milking the market. If you want to join a community of traders, as I said, I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group in the description box below. where you can also join other traders to get profitable content from the group. Okay, guys, let's just quickly do a quick analysis of a commodity. Let's see. We just I've been looking at crash 500 for a while, but it has not really given me the confirmations I need. But let us quickly do a quick analysis on this commodity to see what price might likely do. As you can see, zooming out, you see price is reacting at a support level. This support level, this resistance level, and now price is back at that resistance level again. But price has dropped from that point down to this point, breaking structure and eventually pushing to the upside to retest this other block. That was why I marked it initially, to retest this other block to further push to the downside. So what we'll be looking out for before what I'll be looking out for before I place an entry in this market is seeing price break below this trend line. Once I see price break below this trend line and there's a reaction from this point either to the upside, this upside, or I see a very strong momentum in the sell, I will join the ride, because it's not every time market breaks a trend line, it comes back to retest it. So if I see price breaking this trend line, then I'll be aiming to short the market to this point. Okay. Let's see. I'll be aiming to short the market to this point. Okay, it short the market to this point for my take profit. The market might eventually go below that, but that will be the place I'll be aiming for my take profit if eventually price breaks this trend line. But if fortunately price doesn't break this trend line, moves to the upside, breaks this that is moves to the upside from this point, breaks this resistance level, then I might be looking for a drop from this point. Looking for a drop. Okay, quickly. Looking at price dropping from this point. At this price buying to this point. And then eventually dropping to retest this resistance zone, which will eventually turn to a support if price comes back to that point before I enter the market for a buy, before I join the ride for a buy. Anyway, the market decides to play, I won't rush the market. I won't rush into the market. I will allow the market to do its thing before I enter the market. So hopefully, if the market breaks this trend line, then I'll be waiting for a retest on the ground that market comes back to retest this trend line, or if I see a very strong bearish move, very strong bearish move, I'll be joining the market and placing my stop loss just a few pips above the candle to ride the market to this point. That is if price does not come back to this trend line. But if it eventually comes to this trend line, then I'll be shorting the market, placing my stop loss around 15 pips to around 20 pips to ride the market to the downside. So guys, that's that about that. That's what I have for you guys today. Quickly, let me see if I can do another analysis of the Boom 500 index. As you can see, we dropped the analysis that Boom 500 was going to sell to this point. But as you can see, the price, the move actually came halfway, but has refused to continue to the downside. You can see, we still have our eyes on this. We still have our eyes on this commodity. There's every tendency that price from this point pushes to the downside or breaks this consolidation, this point of consolidation, breaks it and pushes to the upside. But we'll keep watching this market to see what price wants to do before we take an entry. As we said, we speculated that price was going to sell to this downside, and our bias might still hold if price does not break this particular accumulation zone, this particular zone. So guys, that's that about that. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to catch spikes using market structure. I will show you guys how to catch spikes using market structure. So just stay tuned with me. As I said, um, this year it promises to be an amazing ride on this channel. It promises to be an amazing ride on this channel. If you're just coming across my YouTube channel, as I always say, do all to click on the subscribe button, do all to smash the like button, do all to click on the notification bell, and also do all to drop a comment in the comment section if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, if you have anything as regards this video, do all to drop it in the comment section. And also, if you want to reach me, you can reach me through the telegram link I'll be dropping in the description box. You can just chat me up on telegram, and if I'm available, I'll do well to respond. So guys, that's that about that in this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video. This is Perfect Forex, your friend, your brother, your favorite trader. Do have a great day, and God bless.